everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see about asthma. तो सबसे पहले हम इसका डेफिनेशन देखेंगे. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disorder of the airways. The chronic inflammation causes an increase in the airway hyperresponsive that leads to recurrent episodes of wheezing. तो क्या होगा? अस्थमा क्या है? एक इन्फ्लामेटरी डिसऑर्डर है जिसमें इन्फ्लामेशन होगा एयरवेज का और इसकी वजह से क्या होगा? हाइपर रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस होगा जिसकी वजह से रिकरेंट एपिसोड्स ऑफ व्हीजिंग साउंड आएगा, ब्रेथलेसनेस होगा पेशेंट को, पेशेंट का चेस्ट टाइटनेस होगा एंड कफ पर्टिकुलरली एट नाइट और अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. Then see the next diagram. You can see that the normal airway कैसा होता है और एक asthmatic patient का airway कैसा होगा. So see the small boxes. There is the lumen, that is one is the narrow lumen and one is the wide open lumen. The wide open one is the normal one. The lumen, excess mucus is there and swelling is there, and normal lining and normal amount of mucus. You can see the comparison. Then we will see the incidence. So asthma affects an estimated 25 lakh Indian every year, and this number is likely to increase by 50% by the year 2060. And asthmatic triggers क्या होंगे? किसकी वजह से asthmatic triggers हो सकते हैं? That is stress, pets, exercise की वजह से, pollen की वजह से, bugs in the home, chemical fumes, cold air, fungus spores, dust, smoke, strong odors and pollution. Then triggering factors क्या होंगे? First is allergen inhalation, that is animals, house dust, cockroaches, pollen. Then air pollutants क्या होंगे? Exhaust fumes, perfumes, oxygens and cigarette smoke. Then viral upper respiratory infection, sinusitis, that is inflammation of the sinus. Then exercise and cold dry air, stress and drugs, that is aspirin, NSAIDs, beta adrenergic blockers. Then occupational exposures such as metal salts, wood and vegetable dust, industrial chemical and plastic, food additives and gastroesophageal reflux disease. Types of asthma we will see. First is the allergic asthma, second is the non-allergic, and third is the mixed asthma. Then there are many types. So first हम लोग allergic देखेंगे, that is when symptoms are induced by an hyperimmune response to the inhalation of the specific allergen. तो इससे ये नाम से ही पता चलता है किस चीज़ की एलर्जी है, इसकी वजह से ये अस्थमा होगा. That is type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is the basis of IgE. And non-allergic देखेंगे हम. Type of asthma is triggered by the presence of irritant in the airway causing bronchoconstriction and inflammation. Then mixed asthma क्या होगा? Mixed is a combination of allergic and non-allergic. Then cough variant asthma होगा. This does not have the classic symptom of asthma such as wheezing and shortness of breath. Instead, it is characterized by symptom a persistent dry cough. Then exercise induced asthma होगा. इसमें क्या होगा? Affect the person during a very high physical activity. Then nocturnal means night and characterize the symptoms that get worsen at night. Those who suffer from nocturnal asthma can also experience symptoms at any time of the day. Then occupational, induced by triggers that exist in person workplace including textile, farming and woodwork. Then we'll see the clinical manifestation, that is wheezing sound, then dyspnea, that is difficulty in breathing, then cough, chest tightness, aspiration may be prolonged and secretions may be white, thick, tenacious and gelatinous. Then diagnostic evaluation हम क्या करेंगे? पेशेंट का पहले physical examination, then history, PFT, that is pulmonary function test, and peak expiratory flow rate, chest x-ray करेंगे पेशेंट का, ABG और oximetric, allergy skin testing करेंगे, blood level of eosinophil and IgE. Then the complications of asthma will be rib fracture, pneumothorax, atelectasis, pneumonia and status asthmaticus. Then how we do the management of asthma? That is A for is adrenergic, that is beta-2 agonist and albuterol. Then S stands for steroids, T stands for theophylline, S stands for hydration, that is IV, M stands for mass, O2 mass, and A stands for anticholinergic. Then drug therapy देखेंगे, long term medications कौन से होंगे? Anti-inflammatory, corticosteroid, adrenergic, agonist, anticholinergic and corticosteroid. Patient को हम क्या teach करेंगे drug therapy में? Should include the name, dosage, method of administration, the schedule taking into consideration meal times and activity of daily living. Then include purpose, side effect, appropriate action if side effect occur, consequences of improper use and importance of refilling the prescription before the medicine runs out. And non-prescription combination drugs कौन से होंगे? Several non-prescription combination drugs are available OTC, that is they are usually combination of a bronchodilator and an expectorant, that is epinephrine. The nursing diagnosis: ineffective airway पे बना सकते हैं आप, then imbalanced nutrition less than body requirements, then disturbed sleeping pattern and risk for infection. So this was all about asthma. I hope you liked my lecture. So we'll wait for another lecture to be coming. Till then, you just keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.